Hey Ribosome, hey Vacuole, what you guys doing?
Hey Golgi, Ribosome and I were just talking about how unimportant we are to the cell.
Yeah, none of the other organelles seem to appreciate us for who we are.
Yeah, especially me because we were thinking about quitting and leaving the cell.
I know what you mean, but we can't quit because we're all important and essential to the functioning of the cell. And besides, without us, who knows what will happen?
Yeah, I read in this beautiful textbook that I'm responsible for protein synthesis and I'm needed in all aspects of life. I'm looking at you, Protus.
Yeah, and I store nutrients for the cell and assist in endo and exocytosis. My cousin, the central vacuole, maintains turgor pressure in plant cells.
And I receive, modify, and ship products of the ER.
Yeah, since we're so important, let's sing a song about it.
Yeah.
If I ate food today and did not store it away, tell me honestly, would we still function the same?
If I made no proteins, you'd get nothing from me. Tell me honestly, would we still function the same?
We're organelles. If we were not here, would the same be alive? Or would it probably die? Can you tell me, Vacuole? We all serve a purpose essential to life. The cell's gonna be just fine, 'cause we are organelles.
Ribosomes are made by the nucleus, baby made up of 2 subunits, full of ribosomal RNA, with a variety of proteins.
Tell me, would you store the food and waste? Baby, don't make that face. If I didn't do what I do, there'd be no one to maintain pH.
The Golgi apparatus modifies products from the ERM, sends them where they need to go. A cistern is a stack, kinda looks like flapjacks. Without the Golgi, would we still function the same?
Organelles, on the side of protein synthesis, link amino acids together, according to mRNA. Some ribosomes are attached to the ER, or they're in the cytosol. I'm found in all domains of life.
You don't have to tell me that I'm big. I know that I eat like a pig. When you store the water and the waste, I know that others will appreciate. Also help the cell grow in size. Without me, boy, it dies. If the cell had excess H2O, we would all hear this bursting sound.
The Golgi has 2 networks. Cis is the one that works first, and without it, I wouldn't function the same. Trans is the other network. It chips and does other work, and without it, I wouldn't function the same.
Bigger, starting working. Getting amino acids. Binding with the smaller unit, reading mRNA, tRNA binding to the messenger. All of these work together to make and synthesize proteins all over the cell. After subunits work and hard work is done, what results is one polypeptide chain, protein in primary form, shipped to ER and more. Subunits breaking after protein synthesis. If we all walked away or stopped working today, tell me honestly, would we still function the same? We have all realized that without us cells die. Tell me honestly, would we still function the same? Wow guys, I really learned that we are a big contribution to the cell. And I learned something new. Yo Golgi, did you know that we work together to make sure proteins are delivered all over the cell?
And Ribosome, I didn't know that you made proteins for the whole entire cell. And Vacuole, I didn't know that you stored the food and waste.
Yeah, I learned so much about you guys. Like, who knew that you modify products from the ER?
You're right. Without us, would cells still function the same?